See division of labor at work. My chin chin cutters. Ugo, Emma, the quantity you cut is the quantity you eat. So. See, Oluebube's quantity. Oluebube will eat the most chin chin here. And Chika, are you sure this one is enough for you? And Chief Dindo will eat the next most one. Good morning. Ma, how are you? So my camera girl did not record me mixing the chin chin, but no worries. It's the same process I already have in a video. The link to that video will pop up on the screen right now. I bought the ingredients for this chin chin in one of my Christmas vlogs, the one where I went to Nkwo Market. I used 2 kilos of all-purpose flour, 500 grams of margarine, 1 knot of nutmeg. I don't know how to say that, yeah. Or you can say as much as I could grate without grating my fingers. So there was a tiny piece left of 1 knot, yeah, if you get what I mean. The nut has a full flavor compared to the ground nutmeg. In fact, the wonderful flavor from the nut makes me wonder if it's the same thing they package for us as ground nutmeg, to be honest. Right now, I am almost done with kneading it for the first time. At this time, I noticed that one of the dough is too soft compared to the other one. In fact, it's too soft to the point of being sticky. So to correct that, I divided each into 2 and mixed 1/2 of the sticky one with 1/2 of the strong one. Yeah, if you get what I mean. I added about 2 cups of sugar, 2 tins of peak evaporated milk, and a tiny bit of water. After kneading, I put it in the bowl and covered it and left it alone for 15 minutes. And here I'm kneading it again, yeah, to get it all smooth, ready for rolling out and cutting. Nigerian flour is too fine compared to Oyibo flour. I guess it's the way it's milled. So you'll find that overall you need less liquid. Yeah, by overall I mean when you're mixing anything for baking, like cakes, meat pie, chin chin, you need less liquid when mixing with Nigerian flour. Maybe bakers in the house that live in Nigeria, maybe you can explain this better. Yeah, you need less liquid when mixing with Nigerian flour than when you're mixing with Oyibo flour. And you have to be careful when kneading the dough as well, else you over knead it and it will be so stretchy. For instance, this chin chin, if you over knead it, you won't be able to cut it. Or if it's meat pie, you won't be able to roll and seal it, yeah, something like that, yeah. If you people will not be quiet, you go away, oh. Ordinary sitting, you people will not sit in peace. And that is no position. What? Go and bring knife. Go and gather knife and get ready for cutting. I need to buy pizza cutter for Nigeria. Because pizza cutter is better. I'm going to use knife. I don't like using knife. Smooth. Go. Mommy says she drop her. Go. So I'm using pizza cutter now. Chin Chin. Chin Chin conference, couldn't I? So okay, we just explain at 3. It's our gym. When it's a cat of food, go for court. I'm going to find more. That one, I want that. Sit down. That's good. Anya kono.
Hold it.
You got to also be just so good. I hope you understand Igbo. Who else?
Chica.
Chica.
Auntie me.
What do you mean by not a boy?
In my mind, I think it's so.
Why did you say that? If Chica, you don't want the knife for me now. Hold this knife well before you.
Collect the knife for me.
Go and find tray, Chica. Go and find tray first. Because it's tray that you use to cut it. It can't be plastic because knife will destroy it.
Your mind is official.
You don't have to always have all the tools. But you make do with what you have. Remove your knife.
Your face is not showing the fish.
You're not videoing her.
No, I just want her to get what I'm doing, not me.
If I have ready
There was a chimney.
See division of labor at work. My chin chin cutters. Ugo, Emma, the quantity you cut is the quantity you eat. So. See, Oluebube's quantity. Oluebube will eat the most chin chin here. And Chica, are you sure this one is enough for you? And Chief Dindo will eat the next most one. I should put for Oluebu.
You put for her.
This is all the chin chin she will eat. So this one.
Shy
You eat only 100 pieces. Oh yeah, Operation Show Your Work. No, bring it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Okana. How many are you? How many children are you? Yeah, 10. 10. Only? It can't be 10. It can't be 10. We are 30. Ike's Laura's and Barrister's children, I don't know more than 10. All of you. Chika and Chinaza. You people didn't hear what I'm saying. How old is Esther?
You are the last
At least I'm a Mumbadi, I'm a Mumbamo. I'm working at 2005. Okay. I see these twins are fighting about who is younger. Then you people are twins, so both of you stand side by side. Come here. Stand side by side since you cannot decide who came out first. Go and call your mommy, let her tell us who came out first. Twins, who came out first? It's Kosi that came out first. Kosi, you come in front. You came out first now. Okay, who came out first? It's Kosi, so you should be behind. Yeah. So you're older, yeah. You're older by 1 second. It's so funny.
Youngest.
Chimde and they fine. You're too old to stand in line, Abi.
Don't mind them.
Kamsi, you're older than Ugo. You shouldn't be in front. But when were you born? Okay, you could not so Chinaza. Bieba, she's senior you.
I'm not senior her.
You're 18 years. I'm a Mihoku. 13 or 18.
Both of us are the same age.
Wait, man, I'm so yet Olivia. Good. Something for her, Natolia. Chinde, go and find a cup for me, a small cup that I used to be sharing this. A cup, okay, Juman. See our Chin Chin. Look at it too.
I read the book where they say the children are not supposed to be taken.
This was children are not supposed to be taking Chin Chin.